allegations and Jay-Z's response to the case. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Oh, thanks for having me, as always.
Okay, so let's talk about the claims in this lawsuit and Sean Carter's strong response to it.
Well, the claims are very serious. They're allegations of sexual assault involving a 13-year-old. And Jay-Z came out swinging. He issued a blistering response. It seemed like it was written by himself personally. It didn't appear to be something that was written by a lawyer or his PR team.
And Neama, Carter is asking that the plaintiff's identity be revealed and that a criminal complaint be filed. Now, would a judge grant this request if the alleged victim was a minor at the time? And would this prevent other victims from coming forward?
Well, we're used to California. Where under California law, you can proceed as a Jane Doe if you're the victim of sexual abuse, especially as a minor. But the federal rules are different, and there's no federal rule that specifically allows for anonymity. Now, it's up to the judge. They can allow it, but oftentimes they have to balance the needs of the victim to remain anonymous with the defense argument that court proceedings are public and they need to defend their case. And we've seen it in these other civil lawsuits where the identity of victims have been unmasked in federal cases in New York. So I expect that to be the case. And there is a strategic reason as well. Jay-Z and other defendants think that this may dissuade other victims from coming forward. So this is as much for the courtroom as the court of public opinion.
And the lawyer who filed the case says he's open to filing a criminal complaint. Would a lawyer go this far against a big-name celebrity if they didn't have proof of the claims? And you brought up the court of public opinion. This is making people feel like, well, there must be something to it if a lawyer's taking up the case.
Well, this can really go one of two ways. First, I'll talk about the criminal complaint. That's a little bit of a red herring because the statute of limitations on a criminal prosecution may have run in New York. Back when these allegations happened, it was as little as 5 years. Now, that recently changed, but changes to the statute of limitations in criminal cases can't be retroactive. That means that it would violate the ex post facto clause of the Constitution. But civil claims can. That's why you see in states like New York and California where the legislature has opened the statute of limitations for civil lawsuits. So that's that. Now, as far as Jay-Z is concerned, this can really go one of two ways. This might be an isolated one-off case that he has to defend. Or potentially it could be a Me Too type situation where other victims come forward. Obviously, we saw that with Diddy and Cassie Ventura. So the coming days and weeks are really going to be telling. And Tony Busby says he has more than 100, maybe up to 300 victims he's representing. So it's going to be interesting to see if any of them also name Jay-Z.
And Neama, if such a high-profile name like Jay-Z has come out, could more celebrity names be tied to these lawsuits? What do you think we can expect?
No question. This may just be the first celebrity domino, and Jay-Z was unmasked as celebrity A, but let's not forget there's a celebrity B in that same lawsuit that allegedly witnessed the sexual assault, a female celebrity. And there was someone who went on CNN earlier this week and said that his sexual assault was witnessed by another celebrity as well. So I think we're going to see more celebrity names identified very soon.
All right, Neama Rahmani, thank you so much for joining us. As you said, this is one that has entered the court of public opinion. It's nice to have your actual legal advice on this one.
Of course. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.